Can't find the hidden or unhide option in the photos on your iPhone? It can be annoying, especially when you need to access hidden photos. This usually happens when the hidden album is turned off in settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable to unhide the hidden album in settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down to find the Photos app. Scroll to the bottom until you find the option called Show Hidden Album. Toggle the switch to On. This will make the hidden album visible in your Photos app under the Albums tab. After that, open Photos. Tap Profile. Scroll down. Find out Hidden Album. Ensure to enable it from here as well. If this is already enabled, then disable it and re-enable it again. After that, you'll be able to get it on your phone. If you still can't get your hidden or unhide option from Photos apps, do these last work. Open Setting, tap General, scroll down, tap Software Update. If there is new software available, update it. If there is no software update, then go back, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset, tap Reset, tap Reset all settings. Just do these steps and you should be able to fix the hidden option not showing in the Photos app on your iPhone. If the issue is still there, you might need to contact Apple support for help.